Hello and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. I'm excited to speak for the first time in a video. I'm from the Netherlands, so I do my best to speak good English, but it takes getting used to, you know? Alright, this is the new format on my YouTube channel. Every episode we're looking for an inspiring design on the internet and we're going to recreate this with some minor adjustments. For the first episode we will take a look at the Instagram profile of Ashfaq Sayem. It looks amazing, but how do you make something like that? Keep watching! Okay, let's start. We create a new document, in this case for an iPhone X. At the top of the screen we set the iPhone status bar with the time, the connection and your battery percentage. Okay, the next step is to give the page a title, in this case Home. We place these in the right place and ensure good alignment in the center of the screen. In addition to the title, we create a profile picture that leads to the profile of the user. On the left side of the screen we make a hamburger icon which provides a menu option. After this we make a notification bubble on the profile picture. This indicates that it's clickable. Now we're going to make a welcome message for the user. We make it personal and make it so that the user will take action in our app. Below the message we create a search function which consists of a search bar and a search button. We will also prepare the areas for the images and the proposed destinations. We will add the missing icons later. We do not make this by ourselves now, but we download it from the internet. As you can see, I download the icons from the internet. We will process these in our created courses under the search function. We add some basic information such as the name of the proposed destinations, the discount percentage and how many stars the trip will be. Since it's not too much information, we make a click through option. Here the user can click on to view more information. We add some shadow effects to make it look more beautiful and we ensure the correct alignment. We add this to all destinations so that it stays in the same style everywhere. It is always useful to check your alignment. To create a more realistic image, you change the discount percentage and the number of stars at a different destination. This creates your variation in the screen. This makes it look like it's better. As you can see, it looks beautiful already. Of course I have recreated some things different from the original, but I will keep the inspiration from this design forever. So, this became the end result. I'm very happy with the end result. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Here you can see what the original design looked like. And here you see how I recreated. Of course I used other fonts and icons. Also the size of the buttons will not be equal here and there. I also made the menu icon something else, but in general it's a very beautiful design that has centrally succeeded. Have you seen a beautiful design like this? Send me a link via social media or email, or send your own design and I will cover this in a following video. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to share this video. I would also appreciate a like on this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!